What's up, everybody? Welcome back, Z fans. And I got another one. I got the Penn Station. This is Subway. It's like almost, another sub, but it's a Penn Station, and I got Subway over here. Now, I just, I'm trying to pretty much, what I'm saying, compare them to see who was better than what. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. And like I said, if y'all want to know some more videos coming y'all way, y'all got to hit that bell button, okay? Hit that bell button. What? Hit that bell button. And then I come with another one. Hit me up for another idea. Because that's why I need some more ideas. But actually, my girlfriend already doing that. She give me ideas. And I'm going to keep it 100 with y'all. I'm just trying the milk bond thing, and I hope y'all enjoy. Like, share, subscribe. That's all I ask, people. Show some support and love, and I'll show it back to you. I'm very responsive. I just need y'all to just subscribe to me. Z, Now let me get started. I'm going to start with the Penn Station. Actually, this is my first time actually trying this. I have the Subway Club, if I'm not mistaken, Grill Club. They have that. They have a lot of different. Let's see. They got a whole bunch of different more than. I'm not even gonna. You know what? I'm gonna let y'all find out. If y'all have Penn Station, y'all look it up and see if y'all have it in y'all area. I know it has it down here in Tennessee, so I'm gonna try this out. See how it is. Alright. This got bacon on here. I'm saying bacon, like. This shit good as hell. I'm sorry. I ain't gonna do Subway like that. Cause Subway still, good. But this got bacon in it, I don't think, Subway, they give you bacon, but it ain't thick slices where it's actual bacon on here, you know what I'm saying? I recommend everybody go here too. Cause it's not bad, it's actually good. I'm gonna put that up on there. If y'all try out Penn Station, everybody pretty much is trying out Penn Station. Is a lot of YouTubers out here doing the Penn Station tasting challenge. So I recommend for you to try it. God is good. God is great. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this. Amen. I'm gonna end up eating this something when you take the Subway son, because it's so damn good. It's good as hell. Straight up. That bread. Well, that bread is the. I'm gonna take one more bite, y'all. This is so damn good. It's non-stop. I don't know what Penn Station is. Hopefully, flip it over so y'all can see it. That's what it is. That's what this is about. I'm finna do my Subway. Let me get some drink out of my Penn Station cup. Cause bread get your throat dry. So you better have some on the side to wash it down with. Alright. Now let me do my Subway, cause I'm getting that good vibe that, might end up, ain't no might, I am going back to Penn Station. I love Subway. I have not, had no problem with Subway, but, it is what it is. And this got roast beef on here, turkey, I believe ham. Ooh. And I got the pepper jack on this one. So this is different. You can taste the difference versus Subway and sensation. Well, see, now I'm getting I'm feeling some type of way because this Subway is good as hell, just as well. But Penn Station, man, it's amazing. Like Subway, you've been out for a while, but Penn Station got you. What you think between them two? Subway and Penn Station. I can't really compare them two, but because it could be different riders versus them two. But Penn Station got fucking Subway. I don't give a damn what nobody say. Subway, you still good. I still number one if I needed something like, but Penn Station got that real deal bad. Like, yeah. Man. I still go and just, oh my god, Subway eat fresh. So, I taste both of these sandwiches. And I just want to know what y'all think. What you think between Penn Station and Subway? Well, I already told you my opinion. Everybody got their different opinions, but that's cool. I mean, ain't nobody, oh, no, we ain't gonna argue about that. I'll just give my opinion. Everybody got their different, I don't care. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And like I said, it's the bomb biggity. So I recommend people to try this. Whoever have not tried this challenge, try it. Try the damn sandwich. It's going to be there. I'll be there. It's going to be there. Okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment below if y'all have anything y'all want to tell me. Share your opinions. I'm very responsive. Okay? I'm very responsive. So it is what it is. And let me see. I kind of froze, so it's something else I want to tell y'all. Don't hesitate. Do not hesitate. So anywho, I'm out. Thank you for watching. Peace.